Hello my YouTube family, how are you doing today? Savage Gal Creation, Amy here. Current situation, I'm stuck in my car. We got a bad rainstorm, thunderstorm going on right now. Stuck in the car. You guys can't see. Some good lightning. Amy's on storm patrol. A beautiful day in the neighborhood. In the Midwest. I hope everybody had a happy Mother's Day. We got summer trying to get here. Stuck in my car right now. Oh my god, my coat is soaked. God. I don't think I want to drive just yet. Hoping this will pass quickly. Yep. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. We had storms all last night. I love it. I love it until we get a tornado and then I'm freaking out. I just wanted to pop on, say hello. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If not, give it a thumbs down. Hit the bell to be notified every time I upload a video. And keep warm and safe and dry or cool. Hope you have a good morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you are. God bless you. And have a great week. Oh my god, here comes some good thunder. A little bit of ASMR for you guys. I hope you can hear me. I want to be facing the lake. Oh my goodness. Coming down in buckets. This parking lot is flooding. Wow. Mother Nature. Fogging up the windows. Excellent light show. Excellent. Yes. Street. I don't have radar. Oh! So I got a question. How do you react when you see an X cross your path? Does it bother you? Are you unbothered? Comment below. Relationships are crazy. 8:30 here. Wow. I don't know if you guys can hear this or not. I'm trapped, y'all. Crap. Everything is turning so green and so pretty now. Wow, this parking lot is flooded. Storm watch. Savage Gals on storm watch. Holy moly. Scared to drive, you guys. Ugh. I'm gonna take all the back roads home. I'm hungry. Uh-oh, somebody's honking. Yeah, I don't think the road's safe right now. Holy crap. If all this was snow, we'd have a blizzard right now. This happened one time. I was in the Dollar Tree and it was like a lake, water up to my ankles when I came out of there. Of course I had to park far away. I should have parked closer. Crazy. I hope you're enjoying this little rain show. All wet. Truck. Guys, I have to shut this down and come back on later when I get home. Alright, thanks for popping in. I hope you're safe and dry wherever you are. And I will catch you in the next one. Take care, everyone. God bless. Bye.